Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate HTML, CSS or SVG code snippets that you can use for free on your projects. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to search for webcode.tools. You can see the right spelling over there. Just simply write it on the search box and hit enter. And once the website gets loaded, you can see the snippets are right in front of you. For example, if I want to generate a CSS snippet, I just hit try now and describe them what I want. For example, if I want an animation keyframe or a background color keyframe or a box keyframe, a box effect, I can do anything I want. Or for example, if I select the background color, and can see the code snippet for the background color are available for me. So if you are a beginner and you want something that you are in a learning stage, you can definitely take help from this website. This is going to be very helpful for you. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.